Hello, we are solving Jan 2022 paper question number 2 part E. Calculate the total balance of other receivable on 30th September 2021. So the information regarding this is given in the fourth part. Here it says that other receivables. There were two items of other receivables. One was the rate and the other one was advertising. So what was the total cost? Okay, balance that became other receivables. Now the rates were at 10,000 per annum. On 1st October, there was a credit of 2,500 on the account, and it says the rates of 14,000 were paid in the year on 30th September. So the rates account is going to be equal to, so balance was 2,500. So balance was 2,500 and they have given it's a credit balance, otherwise it would usually start on the debit side. Now, and it says that the actual rates were 10,000 per annum. Okay, so and they had paid 14,000. So in the bank, okay, in the bank it would have been paid as 14,000. So expense paid and prepaid is going to appear on this side. So the expense paid, okay, the paid was 14,000, but actual income statement it will go as, okay, it is going to go as 10,000. Okay, then you have, then it says, okay, what is the prepaid, what was the prepaid amount we have to calculate. So let's calculate this here. So for this, the balance carried down will become equal to, here the total is greater, so on this side it is 14,000. Okay, 14,000. So it is equal to 14,000 minus 10,000 minus 2,500, that is equal to 1,500. Okay, so it is 1,500. So this will be the balance brought down and it has become prepaid by this amount. Okay, so you should remember, because this is an expense account, okay, anything paid and prepaid is going to be appear on this side. Prepaid through the bank, okay, it is going to appear on this side, and any owed expenses is going to appear on this side. Okay, expenses, so you're transferring it to the income statement, okay, after balancing it out. Now, so that is the first one is the rate. So the rates prepaid, okay, so rates prepaid is going to be equal to 1,500 pounds. Now next one is the advertising. Okay, the next one is advertising of 4,800 was paid during the year. This included 2,200 for a campaign to run from 1st July to December. So there was an extra 2,200, but it had run only for 6 months from July to December, but they had included everything. Okay, like for the entire year it should have been less. So what had become prepaid we have to find. Okay, so 2,200 for only July to September, July to December, it is only for 6 months. Okay, so that is should have been 1,100. So but it included the entire cost, so 1,100 will become the prepaid for advertising. Okay, so advertising prepaid is going to be equal to extra paid. Advertising prepaid is going to be 1,100 pounds. Okay, now let's add up the total balance. The total balance on other receivables of 30th September 2021 1500 plus 1100. These have become other receivables, so that is equal to 2600.